people. Hope everyone is doing great. Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. Welcome to day 19. Vlogmas day 19. And we're almost there, guys. Almost there. But today I'm just going to find something to eat right now. It's like 12 o'clock and I haven't eaten any breakfast, so I'm gonna fix brunch, lunch brunch, and yeah, I'll take you guys along with me and I'll show you what I'm doing for today. I might go to the mall. I want to get some Christmas shopping done, Christmas gifts, but let's see. I'm just gonna quickly make an egg sandwich and call it a day.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe.
Okay guys, so I'm currently home alone, so I'm gonna take this time to wrap some gifts. Yeah, outfit of the day, I don't know what I have on, to be honest. But this is it. Some tights and I don't know what you call these, dress type top, but it's given you're in the home, you're at home chilling, not doing much, but yeah, that's what we have on. These are the wrapping paper that we went with. I love this blue one because Christmas tree this year, well, it's the first time we're doing a Christmas tree together. The theme is blue and silver with a pop of red. Blue and silver, pop of red. This is the next one, Mr. Snowman. I don't think the camera is picking it up, but yeah. So I brought these gifts with me from Freeport because I purchased these online like 2 months ago and I hid them. So and they're jewelry. Woo. Yeah. Just discover this brand. Yeah. So I want to use this one. not a great rapper. I don't know. I'm gonna do something. Actually, while I'm doing that, I'm going to be listening to my People's Court. You guys watch People's Court? I love court shows, court TV shows. People's Court, Paternity Court, Divorce Court, Couples Court, Judge Mathis, Judge Judy. I could listen to Judge Judy all day, every day. She's so brutal. She's so disgusting, but I love her. So I was listening to People's Court and I didn't finish, so I'm gonna finish it right now. Okay.
For the cost of stolen wedding and engagement ring from when you guys split up and
I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away. On trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is end up just on replay. Still right next to you. You try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but you don't really want to. I just wanna get away. It's still right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around,
Okay, we finished. They're looking cute. Not perfect, but yes. Let's see what else I'm gonna get today. Hopefully I do get to go on the road. Okay guys, I have one suitcase left to unpack. I already did most of the unpacking. This one is mine, but I need to unpack as well. This side is mine. Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, most of these are stuff to go in my drawer, my dresser. Yeah, these are like my workout stuff. Yeah. Okay, I see a few stuff that needs to be hanged up, so.
Sin, I, oh, sin, I, oh, me, baby, baby, baby.
clean the bathroom, sweep everywhere. Now I'm just going to mop and then wash these dishes and try to find something to eat, snack on until dinner time. So let me get mopping. Well, we bought the tank, bought the gas tank today so we could use our stove, because we've been using a gas stove, a portable gas stove, 1 burner, where you put those little gas can in. Now that we're gonna be cooking big dinner, we buy the gas for the stove so we could cook everything one time. I want to get one of those small mops that you could just put in a bucket and wring out easily. I need to invest in one of those. These are heavy. But if you guys are watching this video for the first time, watching this channel for the first time, subscribe and join the family. We are lit over here and we're doing Vlogmas, so check out the rest of our vlogs. Okay guys, so I'm going to quickly make myself some tuna salad. I love tuna salad. Love me some tuna salad. But I'll prefer to eat it with crackers than to eat it with as a sandwich with bread. So that's what I'm gonna do really quickly. Have some lunch. I don't even know what to call it now because it's like after 4 right now. It's not lunch anymore. And of course, I'm doing tuna, so the cats find me, they smell it, and they come running. What you want, Latte? Why you on my foot right now? Let me show these people how this be. Lotioning. Why you in here? What you want? What you want? I can't eat tuna? It's just you? Only you alone could eat tuna latte? Huh? And every time we eat tuna, we gotta give us some. Lord. Latte tuna. Okay. Okay.
Stress away from you, making sure that I'm doing my part. Boy, is there something you want to do? If you want it, say the word, try it. And now whatever I'm not fulfilling, another one is willing. I'm gonna fulfill you, my body and spirit. When you come home, tell me on my shoulder, I will over. Baby, I heard you, I'm here to serve. All you need, even if it's yours. I'm gonna do it. Get up,
loaded.